Welcome back to this beautiful autumn / winter's day. It's absolutely gorgeous today. Today I've come out, I was going to do a little bit of weeding, but the ground's a little bit too hard for that. So what I'm going to do is just tidy the lawn up, give it its final rake. This beautiful metal, I call them fan rakes, but you can tell why. All I'm going to be doing with this, I'm not even going to cut it today. I'm going to rake it all into a pile into the middle. And if you just get a shot of that, I'm going to rake it all the way into the middle, and I'll show you how I'm going to get on with this. As you can see, all the leaves there getting up, all this will stay in the lawn and cause a build-up of moss, which I don't want. So I'm going to get on and get the rest done, like so. As you can see, it's really that quick, doesn't take any time at all. Just a little bit more to do now. Right. Just have a look round. I'll stand the rake up over here. As you can see, it's only taking me probably 5-10 minutes at the most, just to do my little, probably 3 meters by 4 meter little square front lawn. But you can see, all this is stuff that lies at the bottom. Don't mind it in the summer, top mulching. In the winter I want to get it up. You can see really fine leaves there, get some air in there. And if it was a dry day, I'd mow it straight away, and then I'd probably rake it the opposite direction. But this will really help with your lawn. Do not feed it this time of year, because it's not really warm enough. But yeah, tomorrow when we've had a bit of sun on this, I shall rake the rest of that up and put it in my compost bin. But yeah, you can just see how much it's tidied it up a real lot. As you can see here, I get a lot of moss here. This doesn't get as much sunlight, and really I don't want to be spreading that by raking, but I've got no choice. I would probably put some feed and weed on probably next spring. Just give it one treatment just to try and get on top of it. But yeah, that's how to use a fan rake, how to rake your lawn for the last time just before winter. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Remember, as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.